Hello, I'm Dani Hoto from IT branch, and this is the summary video for week 8 basic entrepreneurship class. So in this week, we mostly studied about MVP, MLP, and product. So without further ado, let's begin the video. So what is MVP? MVP is a minimum viable product, which is a version of a product with just enough features to satisfy early customers and provide feedback for future development. Its purpose is to test the idea quickly and cheaply. It will have core functionalities, basic UX, this is user experience, and it will be a fast to market strategy. We will update our MVP through user reviews. Next is MLP. And MLP, the minimum lovable product, is a version that not only functions but delights user. It has the minimum features and the emotional appeal to make users love it. It creates an emotional connection and encourage adoption through words of mouth. The main characteristics of MLP is that it will have fewer features than MVP but higher quality experience, good design, and strong user focus. So finally, let us see what is the difference between MVP and MLP. MVP validate an idea. It will have minimum functionality. The time and cost for this MVP will be lower and faster. It is an test and iterative process, and this will continue on through reviews from the users. And the MLP. MLP delights users and build loyalty. It will have minimum functionalities but provide high quality usability and have a better design. It requires higher investment and more design time. It builds emotional engagement and it stands out. Now, these are some of the steps for building an MLP. So I'll read it out for you guys. Firstly, understand your users deeply, their needs, emotions, desires. Define your product vision and what lovable means for your audience. Prioritize the features that will deliver emotional usable impact, not just functionality. Design UX and UI carefully. Micro interactions, delight moments. Launch to early adopters, get feedback focused on experience, not just bugs. Measure lovability, user delight, retention, word of mouth, and iterate. And finally, the product. The product is the complete value you give to the customer. It is not only the physical item. It includes everything the user experiences. The product will include features, design, quality, branding, user experience, and the services around it. So we can say that MVP is good when you are exploring an idea. Resources are limited and you want feedback quickly. While MLP is good when the market is crowded, your differentiator is user-based brand, user experience brand. You want users to love your product from the start. There is a process called hybrid strategy where you start with MVP, then move to MLP. In this week, we also got an example of a food truck. Now I will give you a similar example of food trucks so that you may differentiate between MVP and MLP easily. For MVP, we can say that a food truck that sells only one item, like a basic veg burger, from a simple stall with no branding. It is just to check if people buys it. While an MLP will be a food truck that sells the same burger but with better taste, nice packaging, a colorful truck, and some friendly services. So customers enjoy the experience and come back. This week, our class was taken by Mr. Amit from Wadhwani Foundation, who is a senior professor manager in there. And with this, My summary ends, and as always, thank you.